So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Inside BIT Sindri. In this video I'm going to tell you detailed cutoff of all the NITs and the last year trend of at what percentile, what was your rank, and of every branch and every NIT I'm going to tell you the detailed cutoff of 2024. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. First of all, you can see on the screen the list of NITs, and if the video is long, make sure to watch it at 2x so that it will be finished it faster. So list of NITs tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. So NIT Trichy, NIT Surathkal. So you can see on the screen according to the tier we have arranged the NITs list. So tier 2 NIT Jamshedpur, NIT Delhi, and tier 3 you can see Northeastern NITs, NIT Srinagar and NIT Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram. Now the first of all NIT reservation policy. Home state is 50% reservation and other state is 50% reservation. Category, as you know, general EWS is 10% reservation, OBC NCL 27%, SC ST 50% and ST 7.5%, PWD 5%, and for female at least 20% reservation is there. So this is the reservation policy. First of all, according to the previous year trend, as you can see on the PPT, the cutoffs for the different categories is given. Last year it was record breaking cutoff 93.2 and general PWD you can see EWS 81.3. so there is a drastic downfall in the cutoff from general. If you belong to EWS it is 81.3 and if you belong to general it's 93.2. More candidates are going to appear in this 2025 JEE Mains examination as compared to 2024. So the cutoff will go even further, will increase even further. For SC it was 60 percentile and for ST 46.6 percentile. Make sure you are watching it till the very end. You will get a detailed analysis of the cutoff of the different branches at NITs and the last year trend. One stop video if you are going to appear in JEE Mains 2024-25 session. And 23, 22, 21, 20 these are the trends. Take a screenshot, see the qualification cutoff of JEE Mains. Now marks versus percentile. Let's break it down. For 99.9 it was 1665 rank and this is the 2023. So you can see the drastic change. For 99 percentile 16,000, close to 16,000, 99 percentile 2024, and in 23 it was 11,000. For 96 percentile it is 61k and in 2023 it's 45k. 15,000 difference is there in 1 year from 2024 to 23. Take a screenshot, see the rank versus percentile. Now let's get into the depth of the cutoff of tier 1. In NIT Trichy this is the cutoff for the different branches. CSC it's other state is 5,000, home state is 5,000 and this is the marks range. Marks range also you can see. So if you want you can take a screenshot, see for yourself. NIT Trichy is the top of the list of all the NITs. CSC it's 1,224 last year cutoff. By the end of the last round it is. And production you can see closed for home state 24k and 24k other state. Marks is around 140 to 222 range. So this is the approximation you can consider. For other states CSC it's like we should have less than 1,000 rank in JEE Mains, and for top branches like this is the rank 3,500 to 9,300. This was 2024 NIT Trichy cutoff and this is the 2023 NIT Trichy cutoff. Take a screenshot, see for yourself. Different branches. NIT Surathkal, this is the cutoff. Take a screenshot and see computational and DS it's like 3,348 and for home state it's 4,786. And marks, this is the marks range. Make sure, one request from my side, make sure to watch the video till the very end. I'll show you every NIT's cutoff, and for our effort like this video, share the video. There's a lot of hard work gone behind making the PPT. So make sure to like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. So 2023 cutoff is this. What you are seeing on the screen is कि for home state, if your rank is less than 45,000, 46,000, you will get the last branch mining, and for other state it should be less than 30,000. 30,000, it should be less than 30,000 to get the top NITs, NIT Surathkal and NIT Trichy. NIT Warangal, this is the cutoff video. For CSC it's like we should have less than 2,000 for other state and home state less than 3,000. And for biotech you should have less than 45,000 for home state, and for other state you should have less than 30,000 rank. Now come to the marks, 113, 1 to 213. So around 180 marks. If you get 180 marks, so you will get the lower branches like metal, civil, biotech in this NIT. This is the exact data. Rank is the exact data and marks is predictable, because your marks changes every year according to the relative competition at your shift and the question paper hardness, toughness. So your marks is relative, but your rank is not relative. You get a unique rank. Each candidate get a unique rank. So focus on the rank, guys. So NIT 2023 cutoff. 2023 will not focus much on 2023, because the candidates that are going to appear in 2025, it will be similar to the candidates that have appeared in 2024. 1 to 2 lakh difference will be there. More candidates are appearing in 2025 as compared to 2024. NIT Rourkela, this is the cutoff. See for yourself, take a screenshot. And this 24 cutoff, 23 one, this is the cutoff. I'll provide the PDF in the description. Make sure to check the description also. Now one more very important thing, if you are appearing in JEE Mains 2025 and you do not know what percentile, what will be your rank, and you do not know how to participate in JOSA counseling guidance, guys, for every percentile there is a good college. It just depends how you are participating in the JOSA counseling. So make sure to participate nicely. If you do not know how to participate, we are there for you. We have the chat support, call support, meet support. We have the mentors to guide you. All you need to do, what you need to do is, this is a scan, this is a QR code. You need to scan the QR code, fill up the Google form. After filling up the Google form, this number you need to contact, or you can also send us mail. If you want chat support, we are there for you 24/7 to clear all your doubts, queries regarding your percentile, your marks, and at what percentile which will be the best college for you. We'll even provide you the PDF, where other counselors provide just the PDF. We are there for you 24/7 on the WhatsApp group. Last year students have joined in this counseling guidance, and this year also we are expecting to provide the support. Call support is for 499. You will be there in the WhatsApp group, and you will call us 24/7 and get your queries cleared instantly. And the meet support is for 999. You will also get a meet with us on Google with our counselors. 5 to 6 counselors are there to guide you, and we'll make sure at whatever percentile you have, you get the best college. MNIT Allahabad, as you can see, for other state, if your rank is less than 6,000, you will get CSC. I'll show you, even if your rank is less than 10,000, you will get CSC in NITs. And these are the other cutoffs. So guys, just look, if you want mechanical in MNIT, have a look for yourself at what rank you will be able to get it, and take a screenshot. I'm not focusing on every branches. You just take a screenshot and see for yourself. This is the NIT Calicut, and these are the cutoff. If your rank is less than 30,000, you will get biotechnology, exact data. If your rank is less than 40,000, you will get civil engineering in home state. And for other state, if your rank is less than 33,000, you will get civil engineering. Engineering physics discipline is also there, and mechanical engineering less than 20,000. MNIT Jaipur, this is the cutoff exactly. So see for yourself. VNIT Nagpur. So less than 8,000 rank and you will be able to get CSC, and less than 12,000 EC, and these are the other disciplines. Chemical less than 33,000 for home state and for other state. I'll provide this PDF, exactly this PDF, in the description. You can check it out from there. And if you have queries, you will write it down in the comment section. And if you want to join our guidance program, you can scan that QR code, or you can give us a mail, or you can contact on the number. We are there for you 24/7. This is the NIT Kurukshetra data. Take a screenshot and see for yourself. This is the summarization of the PDF that I've shown you now for CSC 2024 other state. These are the other categories: EWS, OBC, SC and ST. Now if you belong to other categories and you want to CSC in the top NITs, tier 1 NITs, so these are the data for, this is the category rank. This is exactly the category rank, not the CML that you get. So for EWS, even if your category rank is 1000, you will get CSC in NIT Surat. People get good rank, but they do not know about the cutoff, so they do not get good colleges and do not know about the counseling process also. This is for home state, CSC, other categories. Guys, more video will come on the tier 2, tier 3 colleges. Stay tuned, subscribe the channel. This channel might be the most important channel if you are appearing for 2025 session. We'll also bring the reaction video of JEE Mains as soon as your exams are over, as soon as your shifts are over. We'll tell you what questions are being asked. You can follow us on our Instagram page, Inside BIT Sindri. I'll provide the link in the description to get connected with us. We are also there on the LinkedIn. Subscribe the channel, share the channel, write down your queries, and if you want support, counseling guidance, we are there for you. Scan that QR code, fill up the form, we'll add you in the group, contact that number. And thank you guys if you watched till the very end. Take care, bye bye, have a nice day.